Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we are discussing on becoming a smart investor in 2023. Last year 2022 has been a wild ride with a lot of surprises and uncertainties along the way. And as we look ahead on the new year, it is clear that there is more unknown on the horizon. That's why it is more important than ever to be prepared and to make most out of your investment. In this video, we will talk about 3 tips to be a smart investor in 2023. So let's get into the tips. So tip number 1, expect the unexpected. The first tip for becoming the smart investor in 2023 is to expect the unexpected. The past year 2022 has shown us markets can change quickly and there are unknowns always to consider. That is why it is important to approach investing with a healthy dose of humility and to have a plan in place to handle a potential scenarios. It is not about trying to predict the future. It is about preparing for whatever comes in your way. And when it comes, finding the right balance between maximizing returns and limiting losses, it's crucial to remember that there are times to go big or to go home, and times when it's better to be more cautious. With so much uncertainty in the markets, now is probably a good time to be more mindful of risk. Now we have come to the second tip, which is having a well-defined investment plan. The second tip for becoming a smart investor in 2023 is to have a well-defined investment plan. This means taking time to consider your time horizons, your return objectives, and your risk tolerance. It also means to have a clear process for generating and evaluating ideas of investments and assessing and constructing your portfolio. And perhaps most importantly, it means being mindful of behavioral bias that can influence your decision making. We all have biases, but the key is to be aware of them and try to minimize their impact on your investment choices. By having a solid investment plan in place, you will be better equipped to navigate through the ups and downs of the market and to make the most out of your investment opportunities. Tip number 3 is reflect on personal biases. The third tip to become a smart investor in 2023 is to reflect on your personal biases. This is easier said than done, but it's an important step to become a smart investor. We all have our unique set of biases, whether it's a tendency to go behind a crowd, to overconfidence in our own abilities, or something else entirely. By being aware of these biases, we can work to minimize their influence on our investing decisions. Some way to do this might include seeking out diverse opinions, have a clear system for evaluating investments, and being willing to admit when we are wrong. By reflecting on our personal biases, we can make more informed, unbiased investment choices. So, there you have it, the 3 tips to be a smart investor in 2023. Expect the unexpected, have a well-defined investment plan, and reflect on your personal biases. By following these tips, you will be well prepared to navigate the markets and make the most out of your investment in this new year. Thanks for watching. I hope you find these tips are helpful. I will see you with another video. Until then, bye bye.